One of the world's most vaccinated nations is hosting the world's largest party, and everyone is invited. Dubai is no stranger to superlatives. And if there's such a thing as pre-pandemic normalcy in 2021, the Middle Eastern capital is keen to display it. Tourism has been long open, with few remaining public health measures. After all, roughly 75% of the adult population in the United Arab Emirates is fully vaccinated. But as of October, Dubai is in the spotlight in a new way. That's thanks to World Expo, a global exhibition that's expected to draw 25 million visitors between now and next March, both virtually and in person. The number is less eye-popping considering the scale of the Expo. The site is as large as 600 football stadiums, filled with architectural spectacles from around 190 countries. Visitors will be required to show vaccine cards or negative PCR tests taken within 72 hours, basically the same rules that are required to enter the country. And everyone in Dubai is still wearing masks. There are steep fines if you don't. The hope is that Dubai can maintain its good track record. Throughout most of October, the entire UAE registered fewer than 200 new COVID infections per day. The show is just one way Dubai is doubling down on tourism. By promoting its relative normalcy, the city is soon hoping to court as many as 25 million business travelers, convention goers, and leisure vacationers each year, a number that would make it the most visited city on Earth. Here's what to know if you're one of those many, many visitors, or just hoping to plan a trip. Unlike many other cities, Dubai's dining scene has held up remarkably well during the pandemic, with most beloved hotspots keeping their doors open. Vaccine cards are only required if you're sitting at a bar, and restaurants allow parties of up to 10. If you're still COVID wary, see the city on foot. The residential Karama district offers a fusion of old and new Dubai, while the Canal Boardwalk provides breathtaking views of the city skyline. The winter months offer great weather to be outside, and the Al Fahidi Historical District is full of old Dubai alleys where you can see the stone and palm wood architecture that existed long before skyscrapers took over. Visitors can haggle for gold, spices, and rugs in both shops and open-air stalls. The feeling is decidedly more modern along Alserkal Avenue, the place to be for art galleries and trendy coffee shops. And if you want 2019 level normalcy, you can always go to Blah Blah, the spacious beach club in Dubai's Jumeirah Beach residence. It's been attracting hundreds and sometimes even thousands to its weekend parties. Whatever you do, don't forget Expo. The multi-billion-dollar project is literally intended to bring the world together. Taking place on the outskirts of the city and accessible via a fast new metro line, it consists of hundreds of spectacular pavilions that speak to the themes of sustainability, mobility, and opportunity. The Egyptian pavilion has original antique pharaoh statues, while the mobility district will let visitors try out autonomous vehicles and see what aviation engineers are working on for the next generation of planes. In other words, it's the only place where you could go back to the beginning of time or far, far into the future. For more on traveling to Dubai, check Bloomberg's travel tracker. I'm Nikki Ekstein. This is Where To. For more stories like this one, follow us on your favorite platforms.